my Sacha buttercup setting powder on my Zaran Cosmetics brush I got from the personal brush set. Oh my gosh, I love this brush so much. Okay, I'm gonna dust the powder on my brows. Yes, this is going to help control the shininess that I'll get on my brows. Yeah, for oily girls, this is a trick you would really benefit from. Okay, this trick I learned from the mommy here on YouTube. Okay, so taking my mascara wand and combing my brow hairs in place. Yes, just so that everything is aligned for me to begin the work. Alright, I'm taking my Davis pencil in color 18. Yes, that's the beginning of the brows, the end, which is the tail, and the arch. Okay, well, how do you go about this? I'm gonna use the pencils, which you're gonna see in a second. Alright, well, the beginning of the brows, just like I showed it before, I place my long pencil at the side of my nose, hitting my tear dots, then tracing it up. That should be my beginning of the brows. Then for the tail, in that slanting direction, yes, by the outer corners of the eyes, where my brows meet with the outer corner outline, that's the tail. For the arch, okay, the highest point, I look straight into the mirror, yes, and the end of the pupil, I trace it up. That's where my arch is. Okay, this is a closer look of the outline of the brows. Yes, as you can see, I'm trying to make sure that the beginning, the end, and the tail follow that measurement. Alright, so now I'm taking my second pencil, and that girl, this is the House of Tara brow pencil in the shade brown. Okay, which I'm gonna fill in my brows as you see me doing now. So I'm filling in the brows, okay, that's what I'm doing right here. And yeah, I love this look. I just love the sort of three-dimensional look I get from it. Okay, that's why I love using two shades. I'm gonna close the front of the beginning of my brows now. Okay, well, yeah, distributing the products evenly in case I have concentrated product at one end, using my mascara wand. Taking my Elegel Pro Concealing Fawn. Yes, this is going to knit in my brows. You can leave the house this way, but I wanna make my brows look really slay. Okay, so yes, this is my angled brush I got from gmail.com.ng. It's a shade from overseas. I love that brush a lot, and a lot of brushes from that set. So I'm knitting up the edges of the brows. So I'm gonna go top and bottom of the brows. This is the bottom, okay, just to knit and tidy it up.
All right.
See a difference? Okay, I think you do. Alright, thank you, my angled brush, for being a savior, and my concealer for loving me. Alright, okay, so we do same to this other brows. Now that I'm okay with what I have, I will, yes, fade the beginning of the brows. I will do this, is this vertical? Yeah, this is the vertical strokes. There are a lot of ways I've tried to fade my brows. So for now, this is what I do to fade my brows, okay? Then I brush it out just to make it look, yeah, natural, if you will. Now is the time to set all this thing to rest and let everything look just like it never happened, okay? I'm going to use that brush. This is from Classic Cosmetics. I'm going to blend this stuff. I am setting my concealer. Yes, that's my Sacha buttercup setting powder with a blending brush. Okay, this is from jumia.com.ng. Cool, right? So I'm going to set it underneath my brows. Slap on your favorite highlighter, which in this case is my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Golden Promise. And this look is complete.